hole up, dive deep into its meaning. Hey learners! Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or books. Hole up. Ever wondered what it means and how to use it? Let's break it down. When you think of the word hole, you might imagine a pit, a cave, or some kind of sheltered spot. To hole up literally means to take refuge in such a place, especially to escape from something. For example, animals might hole up for the winter, seeking shelter from the cold. In everyday speech, hole up is often used more figuratively. It means to isolate oneself in a particular place, especially for a period of time, usually to focus on something or avoid outside disturbances. Examples: she holed up in her room for hours, working on her novel. After the news broke, he holed up in his apartment, avoiding the media. Understanding synonyms can help you grasp the essence of a phrase. Some synonyms for hole up include retreat, hideout, bunker down, lay low. Let's put hole up into practice. Imagine these scenarios. 1. You have a big exam coming up. Instead of going out with friends, you might hole up in the library to study. 2. A famous actor, tired of constant media attention, might hole up in a remote cabin for some privacy. 3. During a heavy snowstorm, families might hole up at home, waiting for the weather to improve. And there we have it. The phrase, hole up, is a versatile expression that can be used in various contexts, both literally and figuratively. We hope this deep dive has illuminated its meaning for you. Remember, language is all about practice, so try using hole up in your conversations. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the wonderful world of English.